Hello, hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm going to start a series of video to understand ADHD and basically how to work with them successfully. So please watch all my videos. This is my first video in that series. Please like, share and subscribe so that more and more parents and caregivers can get help out of this. You are just weeks away from better behavior and more peaceful family. You should take this course online video learning because this is primarily focusing on children and ADHD and has been designed for people who work around or look after young children such as parents, caregivers, teachers, shadow teachers, assistant teachers, therapists or school support staff or any other childcare professionals basically. I teach parents proven strategies to improve behavior and help thrive their typical atypical children. Do you spend hours driving around town, waiting in the therapy centers while your child is taking therapy, one after the another, hoping that one of the handful of therapies are going to work for your child and finally create some real improvement for your family or a magic? How much is your time worth? Tell me, what would your tomorrow look like if you spent less time obsessing over ADHD and you saw real improvement in behavior? If you were not battling your child and you were thinking about your child's future? There is a place for therapy and it is valuable. Please hear that. However, I can help you improve your child's behavior, improve your child's success, and reduce your stress as well. And we can accomplish that together in few weeks of time, not months, not years of any appointments. I know it sounds too good to be true. I get it. I was there once. I felt that I had to do every therapy for a child who has ADHD, every treatment to be suggested to parents, try every school for them, read every article and books until I made life better for these kids I worked with. I was fueled by desperation and grief. What I didn't recognize was that the mindset and perspective on ADHD awareness, what would ultimately steer the sheep to calmer waters? I promise you, until you change your mindset and the way you think about the ADHD, the behavior, the big emotions, the daily struggle cannot change. Does your child therapist work on your parent mindset? Your child's pediatrician? Your child's OT? While some may, most do not. It's not that professionals avoid teaching you what's most helpful. It is that they are trained to address symptoms and work with their children on those. If there is one thing I've learned over the last 19 plus years of my experience since I started to work, well, I have learned unbelievable number of other things as well, but this is the most valuable by far. It is that the parents' mindset and thoughts about ADHD create your family's reality. Yes, I'm saying that. Working on your thoughts and awareness will change your child's behavior, change your child's life, change your entire family. And I know it because I lived it with those parents whom I was working with those children, with my students' parents. I also know it because I have seen it change the lives of so many other families like yours. And I can prove it to you. Whether you have been on this journey of parenting a kid with ADHD for a while or the diagnosis is very fresh and you're just starting out, I can definitely help you. Listen up. You have to work towards it. Research shows that parent training not only improves ADHD symptoms and behavior, but also reduces parent stress and increases parent self-confidence. Learning strategies to effectively manage ADHD is one of the key ingredients to happy kid and happy families. We all want a patient, calm, peaceful, purposeful, and joyful parenthood. No doubt. When you have a child with ADHD, it takes more work, very specific work, to accomplish those things. But it truly cannot be done. I'm going to teach you how. Listen up. You have to just work for this. And in my next videos, you will be watching how we do it step by step. This ADHD awareness series can help anyone who works closely with a child who has ADHD. These videos aim to raise your understanding of what ADHD is, what might cause it, most importantly, how to support children so that children are able to get the best outcome for occupational, educational, and social success. ADHD is thought to affect approximately 3 to 7% of school age children. There are 3 different types, and each type of ADHD causes real difficulties in a child's daily life. And what are those kind of ADHD? How to work with them, how to diagnose, how to do the best with your child. Keep watching for my next videos of this series, which will uncover the signs, symptom, causes, diagnosis, and most important, how to manage it in school or home. Happy watching.